Hello everyone, welcome to this easy Java programming course from Gujarat Tech Titans. My name is Rayan and I'm super excited to guide you through this journey. When I first started coding, I had no idea what Java was or how to even write a single program. But once I wrote my first Hello World program, I felt like I had unlocked a whole new world, and that's exactly what I want you to experience in this course. Java is a programming language which is basically a way to talk to computers. You see, computers are extremely powerful, but they don't know what we want to do from them unless we tell them to in the language they understand. That's where Java comes in. It's one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and it's used for a lot of things. You probably interacted with it every single day. You can make mobile apps with it, games with it, websites, or even robots. Yes, robots. Example in competitions like FTC, which we are a part of. Robots use Java to move, pick up objects, and perform tasks automatically. That's the power of Java. It can control both software and hardware. So, why should you learn Java? Well, first of all, it's beginner friendly. Even if you never coded before, you can start with Java and understand the basics pretty quickly. Second, it's powerful. Big companies like Google, Amazon, and Netflix use Java to create software that millions of people rely on. And finally, learning Java now will make learning other programming languages in the future much easier. Once you understand Java, picking up languages like Python, C++, or JavaScript become a lot simpler because the concepts are very similar. In this course, we're going to start with from absolutely zero. You don't need any experience or prior knowledge. We'll take things slowly and explain everything step by step. You'll write smaller programs and see them run on your screen. Even if you make mistakes, we'll learn how to fix them together. That's part of the fun of coding. I promise, by the end of this course, you'll be confident enough writing your own Java programs and you'll know exactly what's happening behind the scenes. Let me give you a small teaser of what you'll do in this course. One of the first programs you'll write looks like this, as you can see on the screen. Now, I know it looks short and simple, but this is actually a big step. This is one of the lines that tells the computer to print a message on the screen, and the excitement of seeing your message appear is what makes programs so amazing. Even everyone who learns programming remembers the first time they ran a program like this. It's a small step that opens the door to creating anything you can imagine with code. I want you to remember one thing that is very important. You don't have to be a genius to code. You don't need to be super smart or fast. All you need is curiosity, patience, and a willingness to try, fail, and try again. Coding is a skill. Like any skill, it improves the way when you practice more. It's your willingness to try, fail, and try again. You're going to make mistakes, and that's perfectly okay. Each mistake is a lesson in disguise. By the end of this course, you'll not only know how to write Java programs, but you'll also understand why the Java code works differently. Not just what it does, you'll gain confidence to create small projects, solve problems, and even start exploring more advanced concepts like loops, conditions, and variables. Don't worry, we'll take it slowly and make it fun, step by step. So, are you ready to start your Java journey with me? I'm really excited to show you how to write your very first program in the next video. We'll type it together, see it, and run, and understand every part of it so you'll know exactly what's happening. I can't wait to see you there and start coding together. Let's do this. Thank you.